All right, before we get to the list, I want to tell you a little bit about who I am and, of course, the criteria that we actually use to come up with our list. My name is Zach, the Roofing Maniac Blinkensop. I'm a licensed general contractor and roofing contractor. I'm a U.S. military veteran, and my company has done projects all over the United States. So right off the bat, I want to say that we do not service this area. Digital Roofing Innovation does no work here. So when I come up with this list, I want you to understand that I have no incentive to tell you anything other than the truth, to make sure that you have the best roofing contractor at your disposal. That's why we come up with this list in the first place. And at the end of the day, I just care about homeowners and business owners getting a good contractor to come out and do their roofing work. Now, there's 3 categories we use to evaluate the contractors to put on our list. All right, those 3 evaluation criteria are the following. The first thing we do is we talk to local suppliers. The next thing we do is we evaluate reviews online. And then the third thing we do is we talk to local residents and stakeholders within the community. Number 1, we speak to local suppliers. This is by far one of my favorite methods because the people who are selling the materials know everyone's reputation. Typically, we contact the 3 largest local building supply companies to get their direct feedback. Number 2, analyze reviews on Google, Facebook, and Yelp. This sounds easy, but in reality, this is the hardest part of our review process. You see, companies can often buy reviews or recruit friends and family to review their company. You really have to analyze who is writing the review and if they appear to be a real person or not. The process to go through all these reviews and then try to contact the person who left the review takes hours for each city that we review, but it's important for us that you choose the right roofing company. Now, number 3, we ask the residents in each city who they trust for their roofing needs. Now, this takes a long time to aggregate the data, but it is well worth it. We post in local Facebook groups, talk to the local Chamber of Commerce, and contact local city officials to find out who has been in good standing with them and who has had trouble in the past. Regardless, this is also a great way to find out who is the best roofing contractor in each city or area. Now, without further ado, here are the top 5 roofing companies in Birmingham, Alabama. Number 1, Cardinal Roofing. Number 2, Elevated Roofing. Number 3, Blue Angels Roofing. Number 4, Honest Abe Roofing. And number 5, Authentic Restoration. Alrighty, so that's the top 5 roofing contractors in your area. Guys, if this video was helpful, please give us a big thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We really like to receive questions and comments because we want to help. So we may not be able to be there in person, but we can help from afar. So please leave us any questions or comments that you may have. But as always, at Digital Roofing Innovations, we believe in using a modern approach with traditional values. Have a great day.